Traders, hello, afternoon. It's just past midday. Going to be a quick little look. It's not really a recap video. It's more like a watch list with the trade idea here on ZN because last night what I did was there was internet issues at around 10 o'clock. So reset the modem, reset my computer, and I was actually on the phone to my internet provider. It's been good recently. So it was more me being a bit finicky. Things were just a little bit slow, and when that does happen, there's a tendency for for stocks to trade to, to crash really. So I'll have it up, and then market will open, and it will just freeze. It will freeze. So when I click something, it will just so there's a problem and I have to close the program and I reopen it. And so essentially what happened was I reset the laptop, but I opened up everything just past 10:30, which is an issue to reopen stocks to trade. I've found nearly 50% of the time or more, if you try and open stock to trade after market open, for me personally, it really doesn't work. So that's one major issue. Although this week has been working really well when I do have it open. For market close, same sort of issue. My thoughts on that is that I would just probably leave it open, the laptop, with stock to trade running. That I've tried that before and that always works. So that's the main concern, is when you close it down, you want to reopen it, it opens it but then freezes. So anyway, so ZN, it does have some news out as well on it's encountered oil with the discovery made. I haven't looked into this news extensively, but just looking at the chart, and that's what I like to do, is really refer to the price action. It wasn't really doing too much, and then the announcement came at pretty much bang on when it was just before, because it's saying 154, so it was before that, and it sort of might have been on 108. It was on Newswire. It was pretty much bang. Yeah, okay. So what I like is that it closed pretty much at its high, and it sort of held, and now it's holding the high pretty nicely, into pre-market, and the volume was good too. Volume was really good, especially considering the average volume. So this one I like, ideally for a dip buy though, just with the current market situation as well. Psychologically, I find myself not wanting just to buy straight away at market open. I don't really want to do that. So I'll wait, 10 minutes or so. I like it to come back down, maybe spike and then come back down to $4, or the 390 support here. There's quite a few contacts at that sort of zone. Go to the 15-minute chart, and then we'll sort of go from there really. So what the 5 minutes looks like. It's always good to cycle through the time frames. Yeah, as you can see, 390 is pretty good little point there. So that's my idea. Now MGTI, I've been talking about for a little while. Hit a low at 230, and then it bounced a little bit. The volume has increased somewhat as well. It used to be around 1.6, now it's around 2.9 million shares that I've traded. Didn't see a lot. It was only 701,000 yesterday. So my thoughts on this is just, it's a no trade, not enough interest, and Bitcoin's consolidating as well. So there was news on it a little while ago. I think there was like a Seeking Alpha article on it. There was also a negative one, but that was dismissed as fake news. So yeah. So we'll see on MGTI. It was good for dip buys when it was around $3 and it bounced back off like 260, but now it's sort of currently where it's sitting. It's if it comes back down to $2, you might see a dip buy. If it cracks through $2, you go down to 170, 150. Could get pretty bad then, but we'll see. Yeah, so ZN is my main point of focus. I will be having everything fired up on time. because that was a bit of a concern. It didn't actually end up opening. I tried about 5 or 6 times to reopen it, and it just wouldn't. But I have had that problem before as well. I just sort of was so focused on the internet, I lost track of time, and then I was like, oh, and then I just sort of, and POTN actually moved pretty nicely too. I think these guys, yeah, January revenues, so they were solid earnings play. And Chad played this one, so congrats. I mean, this was good because it held the level there, and for me, if I got in, around here, it would have been hard to hold for that though, because it gets a little bit frustrating. Anyway, main focus for myself later tonight will be ZN. I will do a follow-up video as well before market opens. Thank you for watching, guys, and bye for now.